Good morning, guys. It's 8:2. What's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So I'll check you guys when I am done.
Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we got home. We were shopping, got gas. Grace is so crazy smiling. Hey Grace, you're crazy smiling. Wait, crazy smiling. Hi, Daddy. Hi. So that's what's going on, you guys. Are you driving, Grace?
She stole my phone.
Are you driving? Were you driving,
Say
Grace?
hello.
Can Mommy have her phone back, Grace?
Can I have that?
It's knife.
Which one's the knife? She's smart, guys. It's scary.
Okay, which one's the next page? What's the next page?
She's like, I don't want to talk to you. You be nice to your daddy.
I'm good to call you. I'm good to call you. I'm good to call you. To call you.
She's mad because we're not playing the way she wants us to play. Okay, I'll read my book.
Goodbye,
Oh,
Grace.
and now she's leaving.
What did you make, Rachel?
Something I found on Facebook. It's like a chicken, shredded chicken, Alfredo thingy.
So it looks so cool. It looks so good, you guys. Look at that.
Where's your baby?
Eat your first one.
1, 2, 3.
Which one's your first one?
Here. Ready? 1. Yeah! Big
Where's your
girl.
second one? What's your second one, Grace?
Oh, you're a brave girl.
Where's your second one?
2. Okay, eat that one.
Do that one.
Yep. Oh.
Where's your third one?
Are you going to pick it up with your finger?
So right now, you guys, we going to Bible study, so that's what's going on.
I like myself. I like myself. I'm glad of me. There's no one else I'd rather be. I like my eye. Oh. I like my eyes, my ears, my nose. I like my finger, and I like my...
Look, Grace.
You're distracting her with her say this. I like my eyes, my ears, my nose. I like my fingers, and I like my... toes. Aww. Is he sad? I like me fat, wild, and I like me tame. I like me different and the same. Oh, is he happy again? Yeah. I like me fast and I like me slow. I like me everywhere I go. Oh, I like me on the inside too for what I think, say, and do. You're so tired. Inside, outside, upside down, from head to toe and all around. I like it all, and all is me, and all is all I want to be. And I don't care in any way what someone else may think or say. They may be called a silly nut or a crazy cockadoo bird, so what? I'm having too much fun, you see, for anything to bother me. Where's the birds? Birdies! Are they playing in the water? That's so funny. Yeah. Oh. Even when I look a mess, I still don't like me any less. 'Cause nothing in the world, you know, can change us deep inside. And so, where's the puppy? You see a puppy? Yeah. So, no matter if they stop or stare, no person ever anywhere. Where's the baby? Baby can make me feel like what they see is all there really is to me. Where's the crazy bike? Where's the bike? Whoa, the bike has shoes? That's so silly. It has an umbrella. And it goes, woo! It's the wheels, and like it has... I never noticed the training wheels. Yeah, the whistle goes, woo! Can you do that? Go, can make me feel like... Okay. No matter if they stop or stare, no person ever, anywhere can make me feel like what they see. It's all there really is to me. I still like me with laser warts or a silly snot that snorts. Can you snort? Or knobby knees or hippo hips or purple polka dotted lips. Yeah. Where's your lips? Where's your tongue? Can you take your soother and show me your tongue? Do your lips look like that? No. Blah, blah, blah. Or beaver breath or stinky toes or horns sprouting from my nose. Where's your toes? Do they smell bad? Should I smell them? Ew. Toes. Do I need to smell your other toes? Yeah, these toes?
How
What
about my
these
feet?
ones? Daddy's feet? Ew, Daddy! Or yikes, the spikes all down my spine, or here that looks like a porcupine. I would still be the same, you see. 'Cause I like myself because I'm me. Oh, she's hugging the puppy. Oh, you give him a kiss? Mwah. Say at the end, do you want to close the book? What's this one? Close this one. Yeah.
So I'm going to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give me a big thumbs up. Goodbye.